This 2018 Keystone Sprinter 3550 MLS Limited is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Las Vegas, Nevada, 89121 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Las Vegas. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.